It's just it's outstanding.
We'll have to get some.
It's a toy, though. It's a toy. It's not real?
No, it's real. It's real.
To do, you know? I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
And the theoretical aspect of sound. And I also want to understand how to read sheet music, how to write sheet music, you know, how music works. You know, what is a major chord, what is a minor chord, how chords are constructed, why certain progression.
Called a hokey, yeah, and it's a little hand kind of like.
He's turning to A. Martinez, and I say, just a second, Mr. Wayne. I don't think...
You want dessert.
Yeah, I want dessert. I want, you know, I want creme brulee or whatever, you know? So it's like...
Get with people, you know, like right now.
Right. Right. I mean, just how you're holding your face.
And probably food. I used to have a...
Eat something.
Okay.
So
yeah. Listen, here's another question. If the zombie apocalypse...
Me one, you can still have a career, but me two is tough.
The training I think that you need is how to get in
perception. I got into composing and arranging and
you ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.